everyone, this is Prasanna from Trendy Gardeners. Guys, in this video I am going to tell some important tips and points regarding our succulent plant propagation. All of you know how to propagate our plants, but due to missing some simple points we are getting very less success rate. To increase our propagation success rate, please watch this video till the end. Okay, let's jump into our video. Guys, see this. Just 3 days before only I keep these all petals into the soil, and already some petals started their propagation. And okay, my first important point in this video regarding our succulent propagation is how we have to keep a succulent petal into the soil. Yes guys, actually what we do is we directly kept into the soil. Due to that, the succulent plants will get rot, because our succulent plants are full of with water content only. So that if you place our petals completely into the soil, it will get rot due to the watering process and the existing water content in the soil. So don't keep in depth into the soil. Just I will show how to keep it. See, take a petal and just place on the soil and press the bottom one. That's enough. This is the process to keep a petal into the soil when you are doing the succulent propagation with their petals. Why? Because as I already mentioned, the succulent plants are fully with water contents only. So if you completely kept into the soil, the leaves will get destroyed, spoil and die. So don't keep in depth into the soil. Just keep on the soil and just press on it. I already show how to do it like this. Just press on it, so that what will happen is the bottom part of the petal will touch the soil. When you sprinkle the water, the bottom part will get the roots, and the top part of the petal will get the new baby plant. If you keep in depth into the soil, the plant and the roots will come into the soil only, so that again if you pour water on that, the new baby plant will get dry. So this is the first and important point. And the second point is where you are keeping our petals tray. For example, consider this tray. This tray is full of with different succulent plant petals, right? If you keep this plate, if this tray into the house or indoor, they didn't get the perfect bright lighting, so the propagation process will get slow. When any plant is in initial stage, they definitely need sufficient lighting, sufficient ventilation and sufficient water. So these things will get when you keep it outside of the house. That means please don't keep at direct sunlight. Please keep it indirect sunlight where you get bright lighting. This is the second important point. And the third point is how much water you are giving to your petals. Yes, actually when we are keeping our succulent plants in indoor, we do watering weekly once or 10 days once, but these petals need regularly in the sense the soil where you are keeping our petals should be always wet. Don't let them dry. This is the third important point. I hope you get this third point. Yes guys, the soil must be always wet. Understood? So these are the three important points we are doing when we are doing the succulent propagation with their petals. The first point is how you are keeping petals on the soil, and the second point is where you are keeping our petals tray, and the third point is how much water you are giving to our petals. These are the 3 points, guys. See this petal, guys. This is the baby plant, and bottom I get the roots. On top I am getting the new baby plant. Not only this, see, this one also getting plant, baby plant, and this one also getting baby plant. Not only these two, so many, this one also, and even this one also, and one more, and here also. Just 3 days before only I kept this. And don't worry when our petals getting spoiled. Why? Because it getting spoiled in the sense it started the propagation, but we have to worry when the bottom part will get spoiled. See, the top bottom will get the spoil, means the propagation started. The bottom getting spoiled in the sense you did something wrong and that petal not able to propagate a new plant. These are the things we should have to keep in mind when we are doing succulent propagation, guys. Okay, please comment below if you have any more doubts, and please mention in the comment section what you did when you are doing a succulent propagation and what you face the issues and what the success rate you get and everything. Share your views and points in comment section. Thank you guys. Bye bye.